Hi, I'm Kwame Yu from Freebie, and today I'll be explaining question 2 from the Easter holiday homework bonus. Firstly, let's talk about question 2a. As we can see in the picture, point D is currently unknown, so we let two unknowns, both representing its x-coordinate and y-coordinate. Here, we let D equals to AE. As the question itself says that D is the midpoint of BC, then we can use the midpoint formula to find out the value of A and B. Here, we calculate the value. I use decimals in this case. Then we can get the answer. D equals to 6.5, 5.5. Now we move on to 2b. We can see in the picture, CE is a vertical line. So the x-coordinate of K is also 4, just the same as C. There, we can write it down. Then we let the unknown of K's y-coordinate again. We let K equals to 4K. Then we first find out the triangle ABD's side length, okay? We calculate it by using the distance formula. Then we can actually find out that BD squared plus AD squared actually equals to AB squared. Therefore, we can prove that angle ADB is actually 90 degrees by using the converse of Pythagoras theorem. And then, because angle ADB is 90 degrees, after we prove that, and CD equals to CB given by the question, therefore, we can use the perpendicular bisector property to prove that CK actually equals to KB. Write down the reason here. And then, therefore, we can calculate the length of KB. 9 minus 4 equals to 5 units. Then we can solve the equation. We can actually find out that the unknown equals to 3. So the coordinate of K is 4, 3. No space. Lastly, in 2c, we can also use the converse of Pythagoras theorem to prove that KB is perpendicular to CE. Now we calculate the size of the triangles again. After calculating, we can find out that CK squared plus KB squared equals to 50. And also CB squared equals to 50 also. Which means CK squared plus KB squared equals to CB squared. Therefore, we can conclude that CKB equals to 90 degrees because of converse of Pythagoras theorem. Oops, no space. And we can conclude that KB is perpendicular to CE. Now, I'll explain one of the common mistakes. Some students might try to find and calculate the slope of the two lines in 2C and try to prove that KB is perpendicular to CE. But if you try to calculate, you will actually find out that the slope of CE is undefined. Now, if we try to calculate the slope of CE, we will realize that the answer is undefined, as number cannot be divided by 0. And this is one of my smart tips. As this is a geometric question, when we are stuck on a question, we can try to think of more geometric reasons that can help us with solving questions. For instance, when we are trying to prove two lines are perpendicular in 2C, we can brainstorm some geometric reasons that can prove an angle is 90 degrees, or that can directly prove that they are perpendicular. This is the end of my video explanation of question 2. Thank you.